delicious nacho cheese. It's gooey, it's melty, and who doesn't like a little bit of melted cheese on their chips when it's time for game day? And with that cheese, we're gonna make a nachos Bellgrande, but at home, just like the ones at Taco Bell. But before that, hit like, subscribe for more recipes like this, and let's get into the ingredients. So of course for a nacho cheese, we have two different kinds of cheeses, medium cheddar, and we've got a pepper jack. Of course, we're gonna also need some milk to make it cheesy. Our spices will be cumin, paprika, and cayenne pepper. So we're gonna put on some green onions, diced up tomatoes, optional, but I have pickled jalapenos. Of course, we've got our sour cream, tortilla chips. Gotta have tortilla chips. For our meat and refried beans, I have a huge hack, which is just use canned chili. That way you don't have to cook anything and you can just heat it all up. So we've got some chili heating on the stove right now, but let's get started with our cheese sauce. You're gonna go ahead and put your cheese cubes into your double boiler. So how to set this up, you get a medium pot, put some water in there, get it up to a boil, turn down the heat so it's just like a simmer, and then get your glass bowl on top. You're gonna add your cheese as well as your milk and spices and go ahead and start stirring. Make sure you consistently stir so that there's no more lumps by the time it's done. Totally optional, you can use Velveeta cheese if you want that velvety smoothness, just like at Taco Bell. You can use a block or the liquid form, whichever one you have access to. So while all that is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our condiments. First off, we're gonna mince up those green onions, dice up those tomatoes. If you want, you can actually dice up your pickled jalapenos and throw it into the cheese for an extra punch of spiciness, but you can also put it on top of your nachos. So your cheese is just about done. Make sure there's no lumps in it and keep stirring. Your chili should be ready to go when you're plating your nachos. So once that cheese is done, you're ready to plate. This ain't rocket science. You're gonna put your chips on there, put your chili on there, sour cream, get your cheese melted all over those chips. Ooh, look at that. Get your condiments going and you're ready to eat. Boom! Nachos Bellgrande, just like Taco Bell, but even better because they're wholesome ingredients, so delicious and fresh, made right at home. So I'm gonna taste it, but before that, click right here if you wanna see my other videos and subscribe for more videos just like this.